Hi, hello. This is Ilapo Kumar. We are watching the Target Railways YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the another static GK topic: cabinet ministers and their constitutions in the parliament. This is a very important topic, and without wasting of time, we will start with Mr. Narendra Modi. Under Narendra Modi, the Department of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions and Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space and which portfolio is not allocated to any ministry, those portfolios is automatically comes under the Narendra Modi sir. So Narendra Modi constituency, he is elected from Varanasi. Varanasi is there in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next. Next important personality named as a Rajnath Singh, and he had a constituency of Lucknow, UP, and he had a portfolio of Ministry of Defense. And next important personality is Amit Shah, and he had a portfolio of Ministry of Home Affairs, and he is elected from the Gandhinagar constituency of Gujarat state. Who is the Chief Minister of the Gujarat? Vijay Rupani, and who is the Governor of the Gujarat? Acharya Devrat. Important personality is Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari having a Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of MSME, and he is elected from the constituency of Nagpur, Maharashtra, the Orange City. Who is the CM of the Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray, and the governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next important personality, D.V. Sadananda Gowda. D.V. Sadananda Gowda having a Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, and he is elected from the constituency of North Bengaluru, Karnataka. Who is the CM of the Karnataka? Yediyurappa, and who is the governor of the Karnataka? Vajubhai Vala. Next important personality is Nirmala Sitharaman. She having a portfolios of Ministry of Finance and Corporate Affairs, and she is elected from the constituency of sorry, she is not elected. She is selected as a Rajya Sabha member from the Karnataka. Ram Vilas Paswan. He is he had a portfolio of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and he had selected from the constituency of Rajya Sabha from Bihar. Bihar. Bihar CM was Nitin Gadkari, and who is the governor, sir? The governor of Bihar is Fagu Chauhan. Next important personality is Narendra Singh Tomar, and he had a portfolios of agriculture and farmers and rural development and Panchayati Raj. From which in which day Panchayati Raj Dinotsav is celebrated, sir? April 24th under the amendments of 73 and 74th in the year of 1992, and act takes place in 1993. Next important personality is Ravi Shankar Prasad. He had a portfolios of law and jurisdiction, communication, and electronics and information. He got elected from the Patna Sahib, Bihar. Who is the Chief Minister of the Bihar? Nitin Gadkari. And who is the Governor of the Bihar? Fagu Chauhan. Next important personality is Harshmit Kaur Badal, and she had a portfolio of food processing industries, and she is elected from the Bathinda, Punjab. Who is the Chief Minister of Punjab? Amarinder Singh. And who is the Governor? VK Singh Badnoor. Is there any other responsibility for VK Singh Badnoor? Yes, there is. That is the responsibility of Lieutenant Governor of Chandigarh also. So VK Singh Badnoor having a two responsibilities. One is Governor of Punjab, another one is Lieutenant Governor to the Chandigarh. So Chandigarh is the quite capital to the both the states of Punjab and Haryana. Next important personality Tahat Chand Gehlot. Tahat Chand Gehlot had a portfolio of social justice and empowerment. He elected from the Rajya Sabha member from Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor named as a Lalji Tandon. Shivraj Singh Chauhan latestly replaced the Kamal Nad. Next important personality, Subramaniam Jaishankar. He had a portfolio of Ministry of External Affairs. He had selected from the Rajya Sabha member from Gujarat. Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Vijay Rupani Bhai, and Governor named as a Acharya Devrat. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He had a portfolio of Ministry of Human Resource and Development, and he selected from the constituency of Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Who is the Uttarakhand Chief Minister? Trivendra Singh Rawat. And who is the Governor of the Uttarakhand? Baby Rani Maurya. Next important personality is Arjun Munda. He had a portfolio of tribal affairs. He got elected from the constituency of Kunti, Jharkhand. Next important personality is Smriti Irani. She had a portfolios of women and children welfare development and textiles department also. She had selected from the Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan had a portfolio of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Science and Technology, and Ministry of Earth Sciences. He got elected from the Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Next important personality is Prakash Javadekar. Under his environmental, forest and climate change and information and broadcasting, heavy industry and public enterprises, these are the portfolios are worked under the Prakash Javadekar sir. He got selected from the Rajya Sabha member from Maharashtra. Next important personality is Piyush Goyal. He had a portfolios of railways and commerce and industry. He got selected from the Rajya Sabha member from Maharashtra. Next important personality is Dharmendranath Pradhan. He had a portfolios of petroleum and natural gases and steel. He got selected from the Rajya Sabha member from Madhya Pradesh. Next important personality is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. He had a portfolios of minority affairs and he got selected from the Rajya Sabha member from Jharkhand. Next important personality is Prahlad Joshi. He had a parliamentary affairs, coal and mines portfolios and he got selected from the Dharwada, Karnataka state. Mahendranath Pandey. He had a portfolio of skill development and entrepreneurship. He got selected from the constituency of Chandoli, UP. Next important personality is Giriraj Singh and he had a portfolio of animal husbandry, dairying and fisheries and he got selected from the constituency of Begusarai, Bihar. The next important personality is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and he had a portfolio of Jal Shakti and he got selected from the constituency of Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And we want to discuss about the what is the meaning of Ministry of State and Cabinet Minister. Cabinet Minister is the main personality for that portfolio and Ministry of State which is having a which contributes his helping hands to that Cabinet Minister. But some of the portfolios doesn't have any Cabinet Minister to that portfolio but having a Ministry of State as a person. So that person is singly or solely act as a Ministry of State as well as Cabinet Minister to that department or portfolio. So I hope you understand what is the difference between Ministry of State and Cabinet Minister. Under that, the first personality is Santosh Kumar Gangwar and he had a portfolios of Ministry of Labor and Employment. His constituency is Bareilly, UP. Next important personality Rao Inderjit Singh and he had a portfolio of statistics and program implementation and planning department. He got selected from the constituency of Gurugram, Haryana. Next important personality is Sripad Naik He had a portfolios of Ayush department. Ayush is a combination of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. And he had a constituency of North Goa. Who is the Chief Minister of Goa? Pramod Sawant. He replaced the Manohar Parrikar ji. And who is the Lieutenant Governor of the Goa? Sorry, Governor of the Goa? Mridul Sinha. Mridul Sinha. Next important personality is Kiran Rijiju. He had a portfolio of sports and youth affairs, and he got selected from the actor from the Arunachal West. Who is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh? Pema Khandu. And who is the Governor of the Arunachal Pradesh? B.D. Mishra. Next important personality is Prahlad Singh Patel, and he had a portfolios of Ministry of Culture and Tourism, and he got selected from the constituency of Damo, Madhya Pradesh. Next important personality is Rajkumar Singh, and he had a portfolio of power, new and renewable energy, and he got selected from the constituency of Ara, Bihar. Next important personality is Hardeep Singh Puri. He had a constituency of housing and urban affairs and civil aviation. He got selected from the Rajya Sabha member from UP. Next important personality is Mansukh Al Mandavia. He had a portfolio of Ministry of Shipping and he got selected from the Rajya Sabha member from Gujarat. Next important personality is Jitendra Singh. He had a portfolio of development of northeastern region and he got elected from the constituency of Udhampur, which is also called as a northern command of the Indian Army. Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Who is the Lieutenant Governor of the Jammu and Kashmir? Uh, R.C. Murmu. Next important. Sir, till now we are discussed about the cabinet and the cabinet ministers in the video, but we want to remember according to the state. Whenever you got a whenever you said to any state name in your mind, then according to that state, how many members are representing in the cabinet from that state. So we are filtered the cabinet ministers through states. I am starting with the Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh having a which type of cadres? How many number of cadres are cabinet ministers from that state? From the Lok Sabha of Madhya Pradesh, Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar, Agriculture, Rural and Panchayati Department. Prahlad Singh Patel. Prahlad Singh Patel having a Prahlad Singh Patel having a Tourism and Cultural Ministry. And from the Rajya Sabha of Madhya Pradesh, Taharchand Gehlot. He had a Social Justice Ministry and Dharmendranath Pradhan. Dharmendranath Pradhan having a Ministry of Petroleum, Natural Gases and Ministry of Steel. From the Uttar Pradesh Lok Sabha, Narendra Modi, we know that Department of Science, Atomic Energy, Public Grievances, Pensions and whichever the portfolio which is not mentioned to the any other personality, those portfolios which is automatically comes under the Narendra Modi ji because he is the chief of our country. Next important is Rajnath Singh. He had a portfolio of Ministry of Defense, Smriti Irani, Textiles, Women and Children Welfare, Mahendranath Pandey, Skill Development, Santosh Kumar Gangwar, Labor and Employment. From the Rajya Sabha of Uttar Pradesh, Hardeep Singh Puri, he holds the Civil Aviation and Housing and Urban Affairs. From the Bihar, from the Lok Sabha member is Ravi Shankar Prasad. Ravi Shankar Prasad had a Ministry of Land, Jurisdiction and Communication and Electronics and Information. Next important is person is Giriraj Singh. Giriraj Singh. Gir means forest. In forest, what is there? Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying, Fisheries. Next important personality Rajkumar Singh. Rajkumar Singh under him power and renewable energy. Ramvilas Paswan from the Rajya Sabha of Bihar. Ramvilas Paswan is addressed under him uh, food, food and public distribution. Food and public distribution ministry and consumer affairs also situated under Ramvilas Paswan of Bihar Rajya Sabha. Next important Gujarat Lok Sabha Amit Shah having a home ministry. Next important, Subramaniam Jaishankar. He got a important Ministry of External Affairs. Mansukh Al Mandavia, Gujarat having a longest coastal region. So shipping is awarded to the Mansukh Al Mandavia. Next, Maharashtra, Lok Sabha, Nitin Gadkari. Under Nitin Gadkari, National Roads and Highways and MSMEs, Prakash Javadekar Saab. Prakash Javadekar Saab have a environment, forest, climate change, information and broadcasting ministries, and also as well as heavy industries and public enterprise ministry. Next, Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal Sahab also from Rajya Sabha of Maharashtra. Under him, Ministry of Railways, Commerce and Industry. From the Karnataka, D.V. Sadanand Gowda. Under him, Chemicals and Fertilizers is situated under Prahlad Joshi Shah. Prahlad Joshi Shah having a Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines. And Madam Nirmala Sitharaman ji, under Nirmala Sitharaman ji having a portfolios of Corporate Affairs and Finance Minister. These are the important cabinet ministers, and these are the important cabinet ministers by summary through the states. This is represented by me, Ilapu Kumar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the video next and support for the next upcoming videos. Thank you very much.